Hi everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial, we are going to make Christmas rustic ornaments for decorating our Christmas tree. This is very easy to make as you just need few things like sticks, jute rope, colors and glitters. So without any further ado, let's get started. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So let's get started and make these beautiful ornaments for coming Christmas. And if you have any questions related to this video, do let me know in the comment section below. So these were the 4 Christmas rustic ornaments I have made it for the coming Christmas. So I will be posting 2 more videos on Christmas ornaments. One is with the toys, the kids toys which you're not using, their waste. And another one is with some papers, some glitter papers and all. So stay tuned, and I will be posting that video tomorrow and day after. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.